Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I style my hair with the Treluxe Aloe Vera Curl Primer. So I start out with freshly washed and conditioned soaking wet hair, and I will apply about this much of the aloe vera primer. So the first thing that grabs my attention every single time I use this product is the scent, which I absolutely love, especially because it is 100% natural and not artificial fragrance. It smells minty and cucumbery, just such a nice scent. So as you can see, I started out by raking the product through, detangling my hair. It detangles so quickly and well. It has so much slip and really decreases on the amount of time it takes me to detangle. Something else I've noticed with using the primer is that my curl clumps are a lot better. Something I struggle with a lot as my hair grows out and gets longer is stringier curls, and I never have that problem when I use the primer. So once I feel like the primer is evenly distributed, I really like to use the Treluxe Soothe and Restore Curl Defining Mousse. It pairs super well with this primer, and it performs really well in the summertime high humidity. So I like to take a couple pumps of the mousse and then rub it between my hands and then dab it all over my hair. I do this because I find that mousse is kind of hard to control if you just kind of scrunch it in like you see a lot of people doing. And this way just gives me so much control over where the mousse is going. It's not going just on my ends. If I were to just scrunch it in, it's going everywhere. So once all of that mousse is dabbed in, then I will start gently scrunching that excess water out of my hair. Something that I really love about Treluxe and these products specifically is that their ingredient list is very plant-based, and they're also free of all sulfates, silicones, parabens, phthalates, artificial colors, and they are 100% vegan, have natural fragrance, and they are gluten and cruelty-free. So as you can see here, I flip my hair to each side and give my hair more of a little scrunch. This will just help with definition, and flipping it helps with volume. So once I am done scrunching out all the water, I like to tie my hair up in an old t-shirt or t-shirt towel and leave that on while I get dressed. So once I'm dressed, I will take out the t-shirt and scrunch out the last of the water that's left in my hair. I'll just kind of move my hair around just like when I scrunched and just gently scrunch out the excess water. So once I feel like all the excess water is totally scrunched out, I will allow my hair to air dry and be back to show you the results. And here we are about 2 hours later. My hair is completely 100% dry. My hair dries so much faster when I use the primer before any product. So make sure to check out Treluxe for yourself. I absolutely love them. And thank you guys so much for watching.